Oh, not that bad. Well, I started gaining quite a lot of speed there. Let's go for a slide in the scary mine. It's not getting too much speed.
Like,
You got it.
Here. Maybe? Okay, now we're
Slide, full slide. Oh shit. Oh my god.
You okay?
Oh, her glove got caught on the nail.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. That's scary.
You were so close to smacking your chin against this right now.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Dangerous.
Try this again. You gotta keep your legs straight.
Photos. With my shit cough kind of quality. You sure it stops me?
Yeah, dude. I didn't even come close to hitting the rock. I literally just came over. Watch your leg!
Oh! Yeah! I did it!
All right.
Dust everywhere.
That was fun. Do it. It's fun. Put that in.
That was very hot on my butt.
Nice. Did it. Did it.